So this video is going to be different as I am going to compare my new device with one and only iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I have snatched from my friend, as I am going to show you a short film shooted with both the devices side by side, and let's see if you guys can guess which one is shooted with which device. And there is much more in this video which I have never done before. But wait, oh shit, what's happening?
We got something.
So in order to keep up with the pace of my videos with the growing competition in YouTube, I was so indulged in this race, searching for new ideas, scripting, creating storyboard, which I have never done by the way, then drawing voice, filming from different angles, shooting B-rolls and much more. But it's only 20%. The main process begins from recording voiceover, cuts, transitions, effects, SFX.
Yes! Huh? What? What the fuck?
City. Let's ask from this Shrek that where I can find peace. Excuse me. Where I can find peace. Cutie little coochie. I wanted to cuddle him so bad, but their mommy was like, I have to convince their mother, but she was very angry.
Nope.
But I also won't give up. It was the moment. Cutie. So that's why after that I sat at a side of lake in search of peace. Then I sat at one place as I was fed up of finding it. Okay, ready with your answers? Can you tell difference between them? No, right? Okay, one more time, here is side by side comparison. These are ungraded footages. Let's see if you guys can guess right this time. Ready with your guess? Device A was my new phone and device B was iPhone 13 Pro Max. Can you tell any massive difference between both the devices in terms of video? That's why iPhone has built such a brand image of itself that it's no more selling us a product, it's selling us a status. That's why if you have Apple devices, your status is here, but if you have Android devices, your status is here. I mean here. No other devices comes into our mind when it's about best flagship devices. But wait, there are some companies which are growing so rapidly that in some cases it has beaten Apple so much time, but we don't know, as due to the highly captured market of these giant tech companies. These companies push throughout the limit to expand the innovative beast within themselves. So that's why here comes my new device, Xiaomi 12 Pro. Comes does not mean it has come on its own. I think it pretty much nailed iPhone in every situation, though iPhone has its own advantage by having ProRes recording, etc. blah blah. But keeping in mind the price range, it exceeds the limits. While reasons to buy, although my old phone was doing great in terms of video quality, as I have shooted almost every video and photos till now for almost 3 years. Yeah guys, really. 3 freaking years. But it was limiting my creativity in some situation. No, most of the situation. For instance, it was limited to shoot only 180p which I somehow have to upscale it to 4K. Then I was so much frustrated with the frame rate support in my phone as it was only limited to 30 frames per second, which was very low in terms of 2022 standards. I mean too low to shoot ultra pro cinematic shots. That's why here comes my new device, which can shoot up to 720 frames per second in 180p, which is just mind-blowing for me as I have not seen this much frames before. But there was also another problem. I was having a tight budget as there was no money I was getting paid from YouTube. That's why tight budget was $800 to $900, which I have saved from my other business. After that, I started searching for the best device but in a budget, or best bang for buck device that money can buy. And I was shocked by seeing the camera specs and the camera consistency and quality of the newly launched Xiaomi 12 Pro. So that's why here is the result. But I think your channel is not about tech, right? Yeah, but just tried something new. But bro, you should do something in your style. Oh shit. Now what to do? So what? Customize in your way? You mean customize? So let's jump straight into customizing. Now I have selected the main design for this cover, and the remaining part I have to draw by my Now the design is complete. Now I have to cut the design in order to transfer it to cover, but in a new way. No, not required. Ready? Taping is done. Sanding is also done. Now it's time to spray paint.
Boom, baby!
Oh shit.
The fuck?
But wait.
Satisfying.
Now I need to transfer this design from this to this.
Yeah.
But wait, I don't have colors to paint on them. Okay, let's buy it.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the
Holy shit, this one is $67. Let me check how much I have now.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I don't have so much money, that's why I have to find an alternative to it. Check this. I finally got it. Ooh.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Let's just start coloring. Okay, the main line is done, and now let's complete the remaining part.
Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign. You so boring. I've been up and working, that is foreign. I'm so foreign. Yeah, you know my whip, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign. You so boring. I've been up and working, that is foreign. I've been up and working.
Coloring is done, and now the final step. It's time for outlines. Now it's time for final showdown. to my phone is trying to tell you something.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.